Would you like to know how to make an extra $100 a day, or even $1,000 in one day, in just about 1 to 2 hours a day? Well, if you do, look at what you can see right now. This is a screenshot I've just taken from my private Forex community to record this video for you, to show you actively what's happening right now with students of mine in my private Forex community. Now, it's interesting because these students, like me, are nothing special. Okay, these are people that work jobs, don't work jobs, etc. People are all in different situations, different places around the world. This student in question here, Darren Johnson, is over in Australia. And it's really interesting because look what he says. He says, "Hi all, this is my Australian dollar Japanese yen trade." Now, what I teach works on any currency. And you'll see that if you look over a large majority of our materials that we reveal to the public, different students, different currencies, different times of the day, it doesn't matter. Okay, it works. And look what he says. This is my AUD JPY trade that I woke up to this morning. So while he's sleeping, that's what he's alluding to, he has something that's working and potentially making him money. Okay. And look what he says. He was tempted to close it manually at 4-1 risk to reward. For those of you who don't know what risk to reward is kind of like, you know, when you have a slingshot, right? And you pull the slingshot back and you let go of the slingshot and it goes much further than obviously how much you pulled it back. That's a good depiction of what good risk to reward is. Good risk to reward is, say for example, it's kind of like working 3 hours and making more than someone that works 9 hours to get a full-time paycheck. That's good risk to reward because I'm working less but making more. Okay, so he wanted to cut his profits down in a nutshell, but he said he decided to leave it alone, which is good because I teach my students to stick to the rules, and part of the rules is don't start touching stuff in simple terms. Just leave it. Okay, look what it says. He entered. This is his stop loss. He had a 15-pip stop loss of just 2% risk. He had a target of 10%, and it goes into a bit of detail about his entry. And then look what he says. Okay, it just continues to drop, and he made a 10% profit. So the reason that I'm showing this to you largely is because I want you to understand and start to believe even more that not only can I help you earn a potential extra $100 or even $1,000 or more in just one day, from just about an hour or two a day, but most importantly within that is that there are people actively right now like you who work full-time, who have limited time doing this and making money. And if they're not making money yet because they're on a because they're on a demo account, Darren's actually on a live account. Okay, so this probably, if what I know is correct, okay, he probably made over $1,000 on this particular example here. Okay, but more so specifically talking to you, maybe you're a beginner. Okay, you can start on a demo account and start doing this and practicing and getting these kind of results to the point where you can get onto a live account and start making these kind of returns, this kind of money for yourself. So it's important that you understand people are actively doing this all around the world right now. You literally have no excuse. You can't say you have a full-time job because Darren has a full-time job. You can't say you don't have the time because he's only doing this in about an hour or two a day. Okay, you can't say you don't have the money because with returns like this, you can build your trading account fast. Okay, fast and efficiently, not risking loads of money. So there's no excuse. Okay, but it's important to know that, look, he's making this money while he's asleep. So he wakes up and realizes he's just made a 10% return. That's a complete game changer because when I first started, and this would happen to me, this was the difference between me studying as a lawyer, studying and training to be a lawyer, and then going to work a part-time job, or studying and training to be a lawyer and going home to relax. Okay, this is the difference. You might have 2 jobs right now. This is the kind of thing that can first help you get out of one of those extra jobs, and then ultimately, if you consistently do this properly, wipe out both jobs, so where you make money and you live off your Forex returns. It's just that simple. So if you want to learn all of this stuff, head on over to freeforexworkshop.com. You're going to get access to a free Forex workshop you can attend, where I'm going to show you exactly what I showed to Darren as well. Okay, it's just that simple. So click the link in the description box right now to attend the free Forex workshop, or the easy way is to just head on over to freeforexworkshop.com and you can register your spot there today as well. Thanks and take care. freeforexworkshop.com. Go there now.